and today I'm making corn muffins. These corn muffins come out nice, moist, light and fluffy, take less than 5 minutes to make, aside from baking time. I think you'll enjoy this recipe, so let's get started. To start, I'm going to take all my dry ingredients and add them to my bowl. This is 1 cup of white flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm just going to mix them together. This way when I incorporate them into my liquid, they're all mixed up. So I just want to whisk those together a little bit while they're dry. Corn muffins are so simple to make and they're absolutely amazing. You can have them plain, you can have them with a sweet topping, you can have them with a savory topping. This recipe makes a nice, light and fluffy corn muffin, by the way. Amazing corn muffin. Once my dry ingredients are mixed, I'm going to set them aside and I'm going to mix together my wet ingredients. My wet ingredients will be 1 egg, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can use any oil you like, really. I'm using sunflower oil today. And 1 cup of milk. I'm going to whisk those together. So easy. Corn muffins come together literally in under 10 minutes. So easy. I love making these. Once my egg is thoroughly beaten, my ingredients are thoroughly mixed in, I start adding my dry ingredients. Now you don't want to mix muffins too much. You don't want to overmix them. So I'm just going to start adding this a little at a time. Give it a good stir, and then add the rest of it. Again, just mix everything until your ingredients are thoroughly incorporated. You don't need to do a lot of beating with these. You basically need to stir the dry ingredients into the wet. Very easy. Very simple, and you get an amazing corn muffin. So just stir those in until everything is thoroughly moistened. Oh, that looks so good. There we go. This is thoroughly incorporated. And I'm now going to take this batter and put it into my muffin tins. The beauty of muffins, so easy to make. This applies to any muffin you might make. And I'm just going to use an ice cream scoop and get them in. This ensures that they're all even, basically, and is a little less messy than the teaspoon method. So we're just going to pop that in there. My first tin is done. I have my oven preheating to 350. My muffins are in my pan and I'll be baking them at 350 for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven, until they're lightly golden brown on top. And my muffins are done. They're fresh out of the oven. They're still a little hot. I'm going to let them cool for a few minutes before I take them out and give one a try. My muffins are ready. They've cooled a bit. They've cooled enough for me to take them out of the tray. This recipe yields approximately 18 muffins, depending on how big you make them. These are a mid-size. I made a mid-size, and they're still a fairly good size. They're still a little hot. I'm dying to try one. I just want you to get an idea of how moist and delicious these are, so I'm going to cut one in half, just so you can get a visual. I just want you to see how good these came out. So good. Moist, fluffy, everything you want in a corn muffin. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more recipes like this.